we can break apart the Hi guys, today we are gonna be making the raycaster in this video. So let's start off by not making a new slide. Let's go to distance, right? And let's start some code. Okay, start off by making a new block. Call it draw, and take run without screen refresh. Okay, under the sends, put draw. So when I receive sends, we broadcasted sends over here, and then when I receive sends, it will do the code. When I receive sends, it will send and draw. So it will do the code that is under draw. It will define draw. So now let's start off by doing the pen code. Okay. Let's start off by going to negative 237.5 and 180. So you can't see the distance at all. You can't even see it. Okay. Then you want to set the pen size, which I have no idea where it is. Yeah, let me just get the turn. Okay, set pen size to 5. You might want to use the same values because just in case it might not work or it won't look good. So just use the same values, but you don't have to use the same color. That's your option. That's your choice. So I'm going to be sticking with this. What matters is the saturation. So do anything but just use the keep the saturation to 100. Then you want to erase all so nothing is on the screen, and then pen up. Okay, so when the pen is up and when you move around, nothing will draw. But when the pen down and then you do some code to make it draw, then it will draw. But when you do pen up and then do some code to draw, it won't work. So that is why we put pen up. That is what it does. So then create a new variable called column. Column. Okay. It has to be for all sprites. Okay, it's for all sprites. Then you want to repeat length of distances, which is 96. I have no idea why can't you use 96, but just use length of distances. Okay, length of distances. This part we're going to do is like the brightness when you go closer back. When you're done, when we're done with this video, you will be done because this is the last video. Set saturation to addition 5 plus item 5 plus item column of distances. Okay, you'll set saturation to that, and then you're gonna set y. So set y to division sign negative 1200 divided by item column of distances. We can just do that. Okay, there. I am column distance set. Then you're gonna put pen down. Now this is where we start drawing. Pen down. Okay, just duplicate that. You can put pen up over here instead. And then change x by 5. Okay? Change x by 5 and change column by 1. Column by 1. Now, let me just hide all this. Let me just hide this. Okay, it is not working. Wow, okay. Let me yeah, you have to draw that. Okay. Change it. Okay guys, I just paused my recording to see what was wrong, and I forgot to set column to 1 over here. Okay. Look, we have that. Okay, we have this weird thing forming over here. Oh yeah, you have to change this to 1000, positive 1200. Okay, look, we got that. Cool, but it's not exactly what we wanted. We can barely see it. So, yeah. Set brightness. Okay, that is not the problem here. The problem is that we can't see all of it. Now, how do we do that? Okay guys, I was looking over my code. The problem is that we set y. We changed y, not set y. We have to set y over there, and then do the same thing over here. Set y. Okay, so now it should. Let me just see this. I don't know why it's not doing. Okay, here it is. You just have to press you have to press the right arrow key or left arrow key. Okay, look, we got the maze. Now, I personally want to add a timer. If you want to add it, that's great. So I will be showing how to do that after I just finish this. Okay, but when we go out, it's just a world of blank. So we need to do the U-win. So I will do the U-win. And when I go to player, I need to make the map go to 0, 0. Okay. Okay, now yeah, there. We just had to move. That'll just make broadcast sense and it should work. Okay, so now you want to make a new sprite. I'm just gonna make a new sprite so I can put the timer code there. Pen flag clip forever. Change timer by 0.1. And then let me just hide everything. Expect timer. Let's put this. I'm gonna right click and put larger reader. Okay, that is way too fast. You gotta agree with it. Okay, set timer to 0 when flag is clicked. Okay, I already got into that much. Okay, another. Change timer by 1. Wait 1 second. Okay. There's a timer. But we want this thing out. We want that out. How do we do that? Okay, so when we have to go to the map code and do this. When flag clicked forever, put an if else statement. And then if key space pressed, you want to clear graphics effect. Yeah, you want to clear graphics effect, else set ghost effect to 100. Set ghost effect to 100. Okay. Look. When we click the space, you can see this, but we want to do that with the player. That's just weird. Like the player walks around, but there's no map. So that is what we want to do. Okay? Just drag this code into the player. Okay. So when I press that, it's like a map. That shows where I am on the board. Let me just put this timer. Okay, but now I want to create the U-win sign. When you go to the edge over here, there's practically nothing you can do. So let's just go there. Okay, I'm gonna just complete this really fast. I don't know how to make this go faster, or I'll just complete this and go to the end. Okay, I completed it. I didn't actually take 66 seconds. That was just because I had to just get out and do stuff. Okay. Okay. So now we have to create this U-win text. I'm gonna put it's gonna be map. I'm gonna put a background that this is okay, whatever. Yeah. And then put the text no you then that's what I was blue, not purple. Let's just change one. Okay. Yeah, there. Like because of this side. This is the problem with bitmap. I'm gonna delete all of that into my vector. U-win. U-win. Okay. There. Okay. So for over here, yeah, yep, okay. For this, if x position is greater than 172, we in the player one. But if for no, let's just do this here. Okay, if x position is greater than 172, that's just the number I call it. Greater than 172, then I want to broadcast a message saying that you win. Okay? You win. Okay. Now I'm gonna just make this you win page. Okay. When flag clicked, hide. When I receive you win, show and then stop all. This is just like it will stop it. Okay, there, let's go. Okay, I will be doing this. You can watch it if you want, or you can't, it's your choice. Anyways, you will have it if you did the code correct. You can play it for yourself, for you know. Okay. Yeah, this part is just a bit weird. And then you win. So now we did this. So hope you liked it. I'm just telling you this. This is part 2 is the end of this series. There's not that many parts, and this is the easiest way I found to make the maze. So hope you like the videos. Like and subscribe. That would help me a lot. Goodbye.